Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve strategic decision making in business. Complete guide step by step clearly. Strategic decision making is a crucial component in the success of any business. To improve this process, start by clearly defining your business goals. Identify the key objectives you want to achieve in the short and long term. Next, gather relevant data to inform your decisions. Use both quantitative and qualitative data for a comprehensive view. Analyze market trends, consumer behavior, and competitor actions. This will help you understand the landscape in which your business operates. Involve key stakeholders in the decision-making process. Engaging different perspectives ensures a more rounded approach to strategy. Organize brainstorming sessions to generate diverse ideas. Once you have various options, evaluate them against your business goals. Use techniques such as SWOT analysis to assess strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Consider the potential risks and rewards associated with each option. Prioritize decisions based on their alignment with your strategic objectives. Once you've made a decision, create a clear action plan. Outline the necessary steps, deadlines, and responsible parties for execution. Monitor progress regularly to ensure the plan stays on track. Be open to adjustments as new information arises or circumstances change. Encourage a culture of open communication within your team. This fosters an environment where feedback is valued and respected. Regularly review your strategic decisions and their outcomes. Learn from successes and failures to improve future decision-making. Lastly, invest in training to enhance the skills of your decision-making team. Equipping staff with analytical and critical thinking skills can yield better results. By following these steps, you can significantly improve strategic decision-making in your business. Strive for continuous improvement to adapt to an ever-changing market. In doing so, you position your business for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.